How to fix Apple Watch not vibrating when I get a text message on my watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and both your Apple Watch and iPhone are both connected together, but your Apple Watch fails to vibrate each time your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone and you receive a text message on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to help you through on how you can easily fix this. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix Apple Watch not vibrating when receiving a text message, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once, then locate the settings and then click on it on app menu. While on your Apple Watch settings page, scroll down either using the screen or the digital crown. Just scroll down like this until you get to sounds and haptics and then click on it. Now, once you selected sounds and haptics, you want to make sure silent mode is not enabled. So if silent mode is enabled, you will not receive alert for new messages on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down again, locate haptics, click on it. Under haptics, you have three options available. There is off to disable vibration, and there is default. This is only going to vibrate a bit. Now, to make the text message vibration continuous, just go ahead and click on prominent. Now, once you selected prominent, hit the back button. Now, when next you have a new text message on your Apple Watch will vibrate continuously. So that is all you need to do when you want to fix Apple Watch not vibrating when you get a text message. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.